Prepare to see the ascent of the electric powerhouse Tesla, which intends to break into the mass market and produce 20 million units by 2020. The company is fully committed to transforming the automobile sector. However, Tesla is not just focusing on electric cars, it is also making significant investments in renewable energy. Tesla's entry into the energy storage sector appears to have a bright future as a new factory in Shanghai is scheduled to make megapacks. This video will go over Tesla's big goals, the advantages of its new Chinese manufacturing, and how the business continues to outperform its rivals. So grab a seat and let's examine Tesla's exciting future in more detail. First things first, now is the perfect moment for you to click the subscribe button if you haven't already done so to our channel. Make sure to give this video a huge thumbs up when it's finished. With aspirations to produce 20 million vehicles by 2020, Tesla has big goals. That would give them a staggering 24% market share and position it as the leading automaker. They have outlined a plan of action for reaching this challenging objective, which includes a 50% cost reduction that will allow them to enter the mass market and take 50% of the market. To lower costs and access new markets, they intend to achieve this by making changes to general assembly, batteries, and engine. They intend to establish a new facility in Mexico's Nuevo Leon. Numerous advantages come with this location, such as accessibility to significant trade routes, reduced labor costs, and availability of a skilled labor force. Tesla can benefit from the $7,500 IRA credit in addition to the advantages of being located in Mexico. This tax credit can assist defray the cost of purchasing a Tesla for U.S. consumers who purchase electric vehicles. Tesla is able to continue receiving this credit and pass the savings along to their customers by producing their cars in Mexico. One further advantage of conducting business in Mexico is the nation's numerous tariff agreements with Latin American nations. Tesla can benefit from these treaties and provide their products to customers in Brazil and other Latin American nations at a reduced price by exporting cars from their new plant in Mexico. Overall, it seems like Tesla made the right option in opening a new manufacturing in Mexico. They are setting themselves up for long-term growth and profitability by utilizing cost advantages and branching out into new markets. Consequently, a lot of investors are feeling positive about the company's future performance and confident about its possibilities. It was comforting to see that Tesla is a firm run by a team rather than simply Elon Musk during their most recent investor day. With 1.3 million orders, this year's Cybertruck launch is expected to be massive. It would be worth roughly 40 cents per share if they could introduce it this year and deliver 200,000 units the following year. In addition to becoming known for building high-quality electric vehicles, Tesla is also making solar panels and batteries for storing renewable energy, which is crucial for the switch to clean energy. Tesla has committed $5 billion in a new gigafactory in Mexico and implemented new policies to help its low-cost electric vehicle production. With $801 million in revenue from energy generation and storage, their energy industry is another growth engine. Certain analysts hold a highly optimistic view of Tesla's energy sector, viewing it as an underappreciated potential catalyst. An investor in Tesla, Gary Black, projects that by 2023, Tesla Energy would generate over $20 billion in sales and a noteworthy $8 billion in gross profit. The future is bright for Tesla, and investors shouldn't pass up this chance. Canaccord Annuity recently lauded Tesla as a sustainability giant, citing its electric vehicles, platform for solar and energy storage, and leadership in both areas. Annuity predicts that Tesla will have a successful year in the upcoming months and that it has a solid balance sheet to survive any future recession. With a large selection of solar and energy storage devices for clean energy applications, Tesla is putting more and more emphasis on renewable energy in general. In an effort to enter the Chinese market during a difficult period in U.S.-China relations, they recently revealed intentions to construct a factory in Shanghai to manufacture their Megapack battery. With plans to build 10,000 units annually for global distribution, the new factory is scheduled to begin construction in the third quarter of this year and begin production in the second quarter of 2024. China ranks as Tesla's second largest market, contributing almost 25% of the company's revenue in 2022. About half of the company's global automobile deliveries come from their Shanghai auto facility, which exports cars to Europe in addition to serving China's domestic auto market. A crucial component of Tesla's worldwide expansion strategy has been the company's performance in China. China is the largest automobile market in the world, with a population of over 1.4 billion people, and it presents a huge opportunity for Tesla. In late 2019, Tesla became the first foreign automaker with a wholly owned facility in China when it started manufacturing at its own gigafactory in Shanghai. Since then, the business has been able to benefit from China's significant demand for EVs as well as the nation's initiatives to lower carbon emissions. A major factor in Tesla's growth in China has been its Shanghai facility. The company's most well-known automobiles, the Model 3 and Model Y, are made at this plant. Tesla's cars are now more reasonably priced for Chinese buyers since the company is able to dodge China's high import taxes on automobiles built abroad by producing these vehicles domestically. Due to this, Tesla has been able to grow its market share in China, which already has the largest EV market in the world. Apart from fulfilling domestic demand, Tesla's Shanghai plant is accountable for exporting automobiles to outside markets. The factory shipped more than 30,000 Model 3s to Europe in 2020, which increased the business's sales all over the world. This has given Tesla access to China's extensive network of trade deals with other nations and allowed it to benefit from the country's competitive labor costs. Overall, Tesla's development has been greatly aided by its success in China, which is expected to continue to be an important market for the business in the years to come. Due to waves of blackouts in 2021, China's demand for grid storage batteries has increased, creating new potential for Tesla's energy storage solutions. New wind and solar farms must have enough batteries to store a portion of the electricity they produce, according to regulations in many provinces. In case you were unaware of the potential significance of this for Tesla, pay close attention to what happens in the upcoming months. The company's entry into the renewable energy and battery storage businesses appears to have a promising future. Click the like button, subscribe, and enable notifications to remain informed about all the latest developments on Tesla. Returning to the subject at hand, the installation of electricity storage systems has resulted in a massive increase in the global demand for energy storage. Both the manufacturing of rechargeable batteries and the chemical reactions required to produce their constituents are dominated by China. Megapacks, which have the capacity to store enough energy to run 3,600 houses for an hour, will be produced at Tesla's new Shanghai factory. This kind of battery is the best option for storing solar and wind energy for later use because it is affordable and well suited for utility-scale power storage. Merely making up 5% of the company's overall income, energy generation, and storage revenue for Tesla is quite tiny. But as utilities switch to renewable energy, having the capacity to store electricity for use in times when it's not needed becomes essential. Elon Musk unveiled Tesla's second phase of its master plan in 2016. This phase involved developing self-driving capabilities that are 10 times safer than human driving, increasing the electric vehicle product line, and building solar roofs with battery storage. For a number of reasons, Tesla decided to locate its new manufacturing in Shanghai. China is a great place to increase output and cut costs because of its dominating battery supply chain. In addition, many American businessmen are keen Tesla will be able to